Frame.io and Wipster are two leading platforms for creative teams that need an easier way to manage video feedback and approvals. Both simplify collaboration between editors, clients, and producers, but they take different approaches. One focuses on power and integration, the other on simplicity and speed. Let's see how they compare and which one fits agency workflows best. Frame.io is built for professional production teams. It offers frame-accurate comments, version history, and direct integration with editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. That means editors can see feedback right inside their timeline without switching tabs. It also includes strong permission controls, watermarks, and enterprise-grade security for clients who handle sensitive content. The platform handles multiple versions, side-by-side comparisons, and instant previews for fast iteration. The experience feels tailored for agencies managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders and post-production steps. The trade-off is that it can feel heavier for smaller teams, and the cost reflects its professional focus. But when precision and scale matter, Frame.io stands out. Wipster, on the other hand, takes a more streamlined approach. It is designed to make client collaboration fast and intuitive. Reviewers can open a link, leave comments directly on video frames, and approve deliverables without creating accounts or learning new tools. It keeps things visual and simple, turning feedback into clear, trackable tasks. Wipster also supports version comparisons and integrates with editing tools like Premiere Pro. But its real strength is client experience. It feels approachable and easy, perfect for agencies juggling multiple clients who just need to review and approve quickly. It is also more affordable and lighter to run, which suits small to mid-sized teams. In the end, both tools help creative teams move faster and collaborate better. Frame.io gives you production-level control. Wipster gives you simplicity and speed. The best option depends on whether your agency values tight editing integration or a frictionless client review experience. Either way, both platforms make video feedback a smoother, more professional process from first draft to final delivery.